In this video, you'll learn how to verify your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will ensure that your wallet is set up correctly and ready for transactions. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet extension in your web browser. If you have not installed it yet, you will need to download and add it to your browser first. Once the extension is open, you should see your wallet interface displayed. At the top of the interface, locate your account name. Right below it, your wallet address will be visible. This address is essential for conducting transactions and should always be checked to ensure it is correct before proceeding. Next, find and click the button labeled Receive. This action will prompt the wallet to display your Solana address prominently. It is crucial to confirm that this address matches the one you intend to use for receiving funds. Once the Solana address appears, you can copy it by clicking the copy icon next to it, or by manually selecting the address and using the keyboard shortcut for copy. This address is what you will use to receive SOL, so ensure it is accurately copied. After copying your Solana address, the next step is to send a small amount of SOL to that address from another wallet or exchange. This test transaction is an essential part of the verification process. Ensure you have sufficient SOL in the sending wallet to cover the transaction. Once the transaction is initiated, monitor your Phantom wallet for the incoming SOL. Depending on the network conditions, it may take a few moments for the transaction to be confirmed and reflected in your wallet balance. If the SOL appears, your wallet is verified and functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.